Hi everybody and welcome back to the Celtic Crocheter. I'm sure you're wondering what I'm doing with a set of knitting needles instead of a crochet hook. Well, today I'm introducing some knitting tutorials for anybody that would be interested in learning how to knit. So for today, any size needle, any size yarn will work absolutely fine. As I said, we're only starting to learn. I have circular needles. I just love working with circular needles. Straight ones will do absolutely fine as well. Okay, so to get started, what we're going to do, same as we do with our crochet, we're going to make a slip knot. Okay, so then what we're going to do with that slip knot is we're going to pop it onto our left needle and secure it. Don't pull it too tight. You need it to be able to move up and down the needle freely. Okay, and then you are going to pick up your right needle. You're going to pop it in underneath that, in that loop. So the two of them are basically crossed over inside of your slip knot. Okay, so then with your working yarn, you're going to wrap it around your right hook. Then you're going to very carefully pull it back through your slip knot. Pull it up a little bit to give you a bit of room. So you've got a stitch now on on both needles, and you are going to pop the stitch from your right needle onto your left needle. So now you have two stitches, and we're going to do that again. So in underneath, cross over your two needles, wrap the yarn around, and then pull up your loop, and again pop it onto your left needle. I'll show you again. Yarn over and then back through that stitch. So yeah, you can run your right needle against the body of your left needle so your yarn does not fall off the needle. I keep going to knit it. Pull up the loop and pop it onto your left needle, and that's how you'll cast on. Repeat that process until you have your required stitches, and that is how you cast on. So this is the first tutorial for our knitting. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, as I will be doing more knitting tutorials for everybody. Next tutorial, I am going to move on to your knitting stitch, and then after that we'll be doing the purl stitch. So we look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial. Until then, happy crocheting. I should really say happy knitting.